Hey guys, what up? This is Isaac Gates Forex Group, the gates of Forex, the gates of Forex. I want us today to focus again on on liquidity, right? On the real money on the market, right? Because liquidity is money that is playing out on the Forex chart. So let's say price, I'm gonna be short with this one. Let's say price is trending down, right? So most people will be focusing on the sell points, right? This is where their focus will be most. Let me try to undo this. Let me try to undo everything, right? Let's say price, as I said, is trending down, right? Price it's price is trending down like this. Most of people's focus will be on this, uh, right? Where to sell on this sell points. Also, when price is trending up, most of their focus will be on these sell points or buy points. I mean, right? This is where these guys, a lot of people focus, because when they analyze what they would do, let's say price is trending up, when they analyze, they'll be doing this, right? Their focus will be, okay, if I'm, yes, in sell points their focus will be this, sorry, but in buy point, let me put a new document there, guys. Let me put a new document so that I will write this very well, because I did a mistake. Hence I said in sell points, their focus will be there, right? But in buys, their focus will be there. This is how a typical retail trader would look at the chart, right? Because let's say they're gonna analyze for a sell market, they're gonna just do this, right? They're gonna see like this is a buy price. I mean, why? Okay, is this is a buy price. They're gonna draw a trend line and be looking at the buy point. How many times did price bought, right? So also on sell points, their main focus will be this, right? This will be their main focus, the buys and the sells. When they analyze, their main focus will be there, right? So let's look at something now. How do liquidity uh, how do market makers take liquidity? For instance, let's look at this sell price, right? People, as they were looking at this, they were looking, hence I say this will be their focus, another focus, another focus, another focus, right? But let's look at this in an eye of liquidity. On their focus, this will be points of liquidity that we need to focus off, right? This will be points of liquidity, because on their mind, uh, they wanna see price continuing to go down. But when we focus as how do we view price, we know when price start to shift, it comes there, then they'll be seeing a break of structure, as we'll be looking at the hit of liquidity. Their focus will be this is their focus, right? This is their focus. Okay, this is a break and a retest to them, right? This is a break and a retest. They wanna see price push up, right? But to us, we know that, okay, this is the first hit on liquidity. So now we are waiting to see where does price run to after this, right? I'm gonna use many documents to explain this, so I don't want you to be lost. We're gonna be looking at where price runs after this, right? So as we saw there, that okay, their focus is that, because some will be running a fib, so that it helps them to buy. But for us now, what did we see? E.g., we see a shift of structure, right? Now we are beginning to see a shift of structure, but use this on a higher time frame. On a higher time frame, let's say price was going up, right? This was price, but this is this, right? So now we are beginning to see a shift of market structure. Let's say this is 15 minute, therefore let's say this is 4 hour, right? Now we know that, okay, there are buy stops that are resting there. There are buy stops that are resting there. So it most likely that price would invade all their focus point, because they are focusing on a sell, right? They are focusing on those cells. But us, we look at those cells as liquidity. So we know now that okay, we're gonna trade, because the higher time frame has shown us that price is going up, but the lower time frame price was going down. But what happened there, we saw a shift of structure, meaning that okay, price is likely to do this now, to hit their liquidity. So let's look at this. What if price uh let's look at this again. What if price now change structure? Let's say now, as we are seeing, price is pushing downwards. Now there is a shift of structure, right? As always, these guys are waiting for retest and they wanna buy, right? This is it's RT, the retail trader. But let's say us, we are looking at the higher time frame. Now higher time frame also is like this. We are seeing a break of structure there, but we know that okay, mostly there is liquidity that they wanna grab, and they continue to push down, meaning we'll be watching them as retail traders. Retail, this is us, these are the retail traders. Will be watching them, because on a higher time frame we are looking, as we are looking at the low also. So we'll be watching price. As retail traders who are mostly are controlled by price, our focus will be, we want to see price going down, we want to see the break of structure, we want to see price taking out liquidity, and we want to see price breaking a downward structure. Therefore now we know that okay, we are trading in hand with the higher time frame. These guys will be controlled by price, because if price sprung up, there will be a lot of buyers, and but as we know that okay, in a higher time frame we are price is falling. So this is why these are retail traders. Mostly they'll be in profit today, and loss tomorrow. So because most of the time it's their focus. How do they focus when it comes to the market? How do they view price? How do they view price fractal? As I mean, most of them, they are controlled by price. But us, as Isaac Gates, we are not controlled by price. Hence I say always, retail traders, they focus, e.g., let's say this happens, let's say this break of structure, they're gonna focus on what? On a and head and shoulder, right? Yeah, let's say this is head and shoulder. But us we will not be focusing on head and shoulder. We'll be focusing on a shift of structure and higher time frame structure, right? We'll be looking at this lower time frame structure, and again we'll be focusing where? On a higher time frame what? Structure. This is how we will look at this price fractal on a lower time frame and a higher time frame. And make sure, guys, that okay, if I can say try to take out 20 pips, this should be your what? Your daily target, guys. This 20 pips, try to try to take out 20 pips a day, right? On the market, because if you can master the 20 pips, you can also master 50 pips, right? Try to predict strike zones, liquidity. Try to predict liquidity, right? And see how market plays on these liquidity levels. If you can predict liquidity, I'm telling you guys, you're gonna see I'm telling you, you're gonna see a change, because your focus will move from your focus will move from uh, your focus will move from being a pattern trader. You will move from being a pattern trader into following into following money. Because remember, banks are not trading patterns, they make money. And they make money by retail traders losing, hitting their stop losses. So if you can track the retail stop losses, therefore I'm telling you, you will move from this 90% maybe to 50. This is Isaac Gates, Forex Group. You know, we are the gates of Forex. We are the gates of Forex. Peace out.